Are you looking to sell your home fast? Hi, my name is Drew Heber with Heberer Homes. We're a family-owned and operated company that provides cash offers to homeowners who want to sell their property quickly. With us, you won't have to pay commissions, you won't have to pay repairs, and you won't pay any closing costs. Our services are completely free to you, the seller. Even if we present you with an offer that doesn't meet your expectations, you're under no obligation to move forward. So you have nothing to lose. At Heberer Homes, we buy homes in any condition, no matter the situation. If you've inherited a property, we can provide you with a cash offer. Or if you're facing foreclosure and need a quick sale, we've got you covered with a fair cash offer, with no obligation. If you have a house full of junk and you don't have the time, money, or resources to clean that out, we can make you a fair cash offer with no obligation. We buy houses in any condition, so no matter your situation or home condition, we can make you a cash offer. Cash offer, visit Heberer Homes or Heberer Homes USA, or give me a call at 563-279-2789. To get started, fill out the form on our website, tell us a little bit about your property. The next steps are to evaluate your property after we get your form, set up an appointment to call, answer some questions about the process you may have, get an estimate on repairs, an estimate on market value, and an estimate on how much it costs us to sell. Based on those, we will present you with the cash offer as you see below. We can close within 7 to 14 days. You receive your cash, we receive the deed, and everyone walks away happy. So to get your cash offer today, go to Heberer Homes or HebererHomesUSA.com or call me at 563-279-2789.